Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block ads within the Twitch application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with logging in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can watch various different live streams. Now, if you wish to block the ads that you see within the application, then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. From here, you will need to activate Twitch Turbo. Once you click on the Twitch Turbo option, you will be asked to select from the various different premium plans. You will simply need to choose your selected plan, and after making your transaction through your payment method, the Twitch Turbo will be activated and you will not see any more ads within the application. And now you can enjoy the Twitch application completely ad-free. That is how you can turn off ads on the Twitch application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.